Lastly, I'm going to show you how to create the opening balance via the register screen. To get to the register screen, you have to go to the chart of accounts. And from the chart of accounts, you have to locate the account where you want to add an opening balance, and then click on account history. So let me just share that you would only be able to see the account history option for your balance sheet accounts, which means that you would only be able to add an opening balance on your balance sheet accounts as well. All right, so let's go ahead and add an opening balance for my cash and cash equivalents account by clicking on account history. From this page, click on the arrow on the first column of your screen and then select journal entry. Select the journal entry date, and you can just leave the payee field empty as it's not required, and then click on the accounts field or drop down list and then type in opening balance equity account. So this should always be your balancing account when you are creating an opening balance on your chart of accounts. So if the amount for this bank account is a positive figure, then you have to enter the amount on the deposits field. But if the opening balance of this account is a negative figure, then you have to put in the amount on the payments field. But for this example, the amount is positive, so I'm going to leave it on the deposits field. And don't forget to mark it with an R by clicking on the check mark column on the screen. Yep, so you just have to click on this box until you see the letter R. Okay, so R means reconciled. So once you see the letter R, click on save. And that's it. You have already created an opening balance on your account.